Strap on time. What up, bro? Chilling? Man, I'll be coming late as fuck. What up, Kev?
What up, man?
Man, you how to get the AC on?
Oh, no, I was just checking to see if it was working.
Oh.
There we go. Yeah, I don't want to be caught, you know, when it gets fucking 80 out and we don't have any AC.
Hell yeah. Fuck. What deal? Huh?
Got this in promo.
What is it on?
18 volt polisher. Gorgeous.
It's kind of small though, right? How much does this run?
I'm not sure. What's your price?
Here. I just want to see just for.
What's the price on this color?
Damn, what the fuck? You have these small ones, Kev? 575. 575?
Small? Any smaller than that?
You got them for the sale, no, I'm assuming? You're selling these jackets or they're orders?
Those Ariat ones?
Yeah.
They're orders.
Oh.
Yeah. You can always get more.
You guys got more shit, right? Let me see
Yeah,
that.
we started getting some of the stuff in now. I'm trying to do a new tool return too.
Yeah. What about the headphones? When do you get the headphones in?
What headphones? Oh, yeah, I think I got one in. Probably gonna return them. I heard they're just not that good. They're like
They're expensive as fuck, right?
Yeah.
I seen them.
43, 25.
You have them? Do you guys have these like buy one get one, the free one now?
Yeah. Is it down in that box over there, but underneath that white one? So it's the PSOF 4325. We got one. Maybe just take it out. Yeah.
Oh, is that one right there, right?
Yeah. And you got the other one up here too?
Oh yeah, it's right here, bro.
That was the one back there? Yeah, we got two of those. So yeah,
Yeah.
1 and 2.
How much are those normally? They're like 5 something, right?
Or the small one or the big one?
The
So 223.
223?
Yeah.
223.
What's
223.
the nano one we have? Which is a nano?
You're selling these too?
No, those are for someone. Yeah, I got some guy ordered them.
Could you order me some?
Oh, I think they're the same ones we had. These are the first ones, correct?
I just seen these two online.
With the torque set.
Yeah. The short ass ones. Could I run payments? Oh, you guys. Oh, it's not that one, right? The first one.
No, that's like the first ones that came. So for the shop
The-
account for the tools,
The tools, I'll do 60 on mine.
60
Yeah.
on the shop.
Yeah, but with my card.
On your card, okay.
Yeah, the
3580.
is it or the other one? What other one do you have?
I have Myra JC with 9757. The only other one I have is JC Auto Body 3580.
Oh, it wasn't a Bank of America card? You know those are. I thought I've been paying with.